issue? And can you elaborate on that eye roll?
I don't know. I mean, she should fire her staffer who gave her that information. Because, you know, the fake news affects, hurts everyone. Not only those that fake news is attacking, but also those who are purveying that fake news. The purveyors of fake news are also damaged by this kind of one. So she should choose her sources of information that. Because the truth of the matter is, we have never at any point even spoken about this anywhere with anyone at any time. So I don't know. I mean, it is, well, that's, kayo, nasa media kayo. Alam naman ninyo ang nagiging epekto ng fake news. Yeah, that's a perfect example. Fake news is a corrosive influence on in all sectors of society, in political, in economics, in actual human relations, etc. And if you're not part of the solution, you become part of the problem.